What's up, people? I wanted to put this video out real quick. Lumafusion 3.0 just released. I'm going to go ahead and download it, and we're going to go through all the details right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. So I pretty much just finished watching a couple-minute video that Lumafusion put out. This is going to break down all the new features of the new program. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the program, look around, see what I noticed that's different. And you know what I definitely want to try is the stabilization. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so now we in the app. One thing that they did mention that I was also very excited about is now you can resize the picture. So the actual different panels. So if you touch this button here, it's like a little T where all the panels meet. And you can kind of do this resizing effect, which is really cool. Especially like if you have a lot of media that you want to browse through on here in the media panel. You can make that bigger, or if you have a bigger timeline, you can make that bigger. If you want to make the actual preview bigger, you can do that. So that is nice. Like I said, a lot of people have been waiting a long time for this update, but it's here now. Hopefully the wait was worth it. The main feature that I want to test first, even before I test the stabilization, is, and this feature is going to be a game changer, especially to me because I edit all my videos on my iPad. But unfortunately, when I was originally purchasing my iPad, I didn't know this was going to be how I edited my video. So I only got the 256 gigabyte version. So it's kind of a struggle trying to edit bigger videos. But now you can edit directly off a hard drive. So let's go ahead and test that out. So I'm going to plug in the hard drive. Go ahead and start a new project. Actually, yeah, let me start a new project. Alright, so first thing you want to check is you want to go to the settings. You want to go to where it says external drive editing. You want to make sure that is enabled. That was already enabled on mine. Alright, so if you go to files, you'll see my hard drive is here. So now I'm dragging this link directly off my hard drive straight into the timeline. And I'm actually using the Samsung T7. Alright, so let's see how the playback is. Playing pretty smoothly. And like I said, that's directly off the hard drive. No need to actually drag the file from the hard drive to the actual iPad. And that is a game changer. So let's try this stabilization on this footage. So let me see if I can find where that effect is. I'm guessing it would be in here somewhere. Lock and load stabilization by Core Melt. Okay. So let's go ahead and enable that. Look like it's doing some type of processing. Alright, so right now the overall strength is on 0.70, and let's play and see how it looks. Wow, that's pretty good. And you can also do some adjustments to it, so I'm not going to get into all this, but it's good that all these adjustments are here just in case your stabilization doesn't come out perfectly. Thumbs up on that. Definitely thumbs up on that. Alright, so let's see what else we have here. See if anything else looks different. I know you have the ability to play with the EQs now on your actual audio, so let's see if we can see what that looks like. So now you can see you have a lot more controls. You can actually pan the audio. Wow. I'm not an audio guy. I know what none of this means. But just the fact that it's here, it's great. Now they also said you can take out distortion or and I think you need an add-on to do that. So they said you can actually take out buzzing noise or feedback noise out of the footage. I right now have a separate app to do that, but the ability to actually do that in app, another game changer. Yeah, so I'm really impressed with this update. If you have an iPad, especially an iPad Pro, and you edit videos and you do not have Lumafusion, you need to go ahead and grab that right now. Because for 30 bucks, I'll be hard pressed to find a software that can do what Lumafusion does at the price of 30 bucks. Like I said, I can edit 4K footage right on my iPad, which is crazy to me. And if you want to take advantage of that editing straight off your hard drive, they do recommend using the Samsung T7, but I actually already seen a video where somebody used the Samsung T5 and it worked. So any type of hard drive that has a USB Type-C most likely will work, but the faster the drive is, the better it will work, obviously. So if you don't already have one, go ahead and grab the T7. I think this was about 150 bucks for 2 terabytes, I want to say. So yeah, definitely, if you don't have it already, go ahead and grab it. If you have Lumafusion, make sure you go ahead and download that update. So like I said, just wanted to make a real quick video. Want to thank y'all for watching. Again, if you have any other questions about this update, I might not know the answer, but if I do, drop them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get to them. All right, that's pretty much it. Peace out.